So we come across Sims companies, right? So Sims companies, it's this business simulation game which is played by various fellows in the market. So this is how it looks like. Sims companies. It is a very optimized business game, a slow-paced economic simulator game. It's like you're growing your own business. You can measure your skills and against other players, virtual money, and you can get to play notice contestants and grow in a various industry range. It's a very pretty simple game and very small in size. It not consume more than 3 to 4 MB, I guess. That's the max. That's a very clean game. So I've already installed this game. I'm using it from since a long time. So see, after installing, you get this option of play. So you just go inside this. So it takes time to load, and the game starts from through the server. It's a very simple server, and it works that way. So this is how the first interface looking like. You have to create a username and pass username and list of contest winners of previous contest winners and all this news about what are the um, latest trends on the thing. How to beginner's guide is there, the bonds guide, economic simulator model, frequently asked questions, encyclopedia, change logs, and about stats, and a lot of things comes up here. So I just go through my game version. You can just have it and look at it. So this is how it looks like. I've done a simple setup of the same scheme. So I have basically I've concentrated on the agriculture and what is it, raw material industry or construction based industry. I felt it is pretty safe to play such things because your overheads are high. You can work on it. So this is how its simple interface looks like. I've created an account here, and this is how it looks like. And this is the new version of the game. What you're seeing. So there's three dots here. It shows like one is maps. This is the map. This is the map. What you see actually. Another one is the warehouse, a library, chat, and then social media. So I'll go one by one. What is it? Each indicates. So the map is this. The game layout with the buildings, what you've designed and everything. And then the one is the warehouse. Warehouse is nothing but you keep the produced products, the stocked product is listed here. Okay. Next comes the library. It's nothing but it's like in a newspaper model of each issues what's happening in the game real time. It gets updated. And there's a lot of things. Forum is there, frequently asked questions. Okay, the beginner's guide. The beginner guide is very simple than the things. It just gives a basic idea how what is it, the first step of generating revenue. So what does each building do? What is a grocery? How the farm works? Alternately, retail store. Yeah, there's two things. One is retail buildings. The other one is the stock market or the market. What do you call? You can sell it. It's like a commodity selling. And the buildings comes with your headquarters, the product details. Exchange is nothing but I said it's something like a stock market, the buyer seller goods area. I said just a fair price, and it charges 3% of the rate to the total contract value. And it goes through the various things, exchanges and a lot of things. Insecurity is nothing but it gives the details of the product and the market value, what's happening currently. Miscellaneous is nothing but your assistant, personal assistant. Same boost is nothing but these tasks what you get by everyday login. You get certain boosts. You can convert it to the uh, the value of money and a lot of things. Minimum of 10,000 piece can be converted. Okay, so beginners boost and all those things is good actually. This is pretty good thing to just go through this. It's very good. the library is very helpful for the beginners, and the chat rooms is like first judge of the see what you see is a game. A lot of people playing. It's just a random thing. It's a social media. It's like something like you can repeatedly message to people. You get chatting messages, and sale is related to selling clay. Just giving advertisement. Natural help. Okay, okay. It's something to discuss about. How is it going and all this discussion. Finally, I have an assistant. Where assistant is like it gives the in-house feedback of the game. Something like, see, I didn't have the or enough value or enough value to pay my employees. So it shows me it is shortage. So I just go to chat and say and show you. Boss, we don't have enough money to cover salaries. They take a day off. It is like a just funny thing. Yep, this is how it looks like. Okay, then let's go to the next video. I just said earlier, you have any product here, it gives the complete detail. I just said seed. See seed, what does seed require and where it is produced. Plantation is the major place where it is produced, and the major resource required for seed production is water. That's how it shows. And seed is the basic resource for apples, oranges, grapes, grain, sugarcane, cotton, wood, and so on. And this is the production calculator. If you have what is a CFO of higher level, he'll actually help you in calculating the production cost of it. So this is how it is displayed. It has a lot of good features actually. I can just show you certain things. This is how it looks like. That's it. Bye. Thank you.